Come test drive the 2022 Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, 4-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, tires front all season, tires rear all season, privacy glass. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.